I want to go back.
You want to go back?
Yes.
I'm going to struggle to take it in my suitcase. Thank you so much. Thank you.
You're welcome.
You're coming in the car with us?
Yeah.
Nice. I've never been given a chicken.
So we shall not see her to this time.
Is it male or female?
You called her. Okay. No
I have no idea. I can't see any bits. I have never received such a gift before. He looks really happy to have been given to me.
It's okay. You can put it in the car. Counter a hold you later. So
I'm
we
putting
can
the chicken
try.
in here?
Yes. Yes.